Alyssa. So today I invited my brother David over. We're gonna be doing a hilarious video. We're gonna be doing a DIY wardrobe out of cardboard. Okay, so we have all of our boxes here. We're gonna give you some examples really quick of what we've done before. And some of you may or may not already know from my TikTok of my cinnamon duck foot. Cinnamon duck foot 4000. And we also have this Velveeta, it's a punching glove.
Yeah.
And our Boom Chicka Pop shoe, which is probably the most famous of them all.
Yes.
And today we're going to be making a lot more, and they're probably gonna look even better than these ones, so we're excited.
Let's get started.
Okay, yes, let's get started. I think I'm gonna start with the fruit box. I think this one should be good. So if you guys wanna do this at home, you can. It's really fun and funny at the end, and it's really easy to do. Whenever you have your box, you just wanna cut along these lines so you can kind of like extend it, and then you fit it on your foot. I'll show you guys how.
I have a really good idea for what I'm going to do for this box. How this all started is by a go-go squeeze box. Randomly put it on my feet. So, yeah, that's how it
he
started.
just put it on his feet and I saw, so I got ideas. Cut all the seams, all the sides, so that the box is completely open. And it works pretty good with cereal boxes, I would say. So basically it's just gonna look like this, and then you're gonna mold it around your foot to make the shoe. And then once you're ready, you can kind of like tape it to your foot and like tape the box together. And that's basically how you do it. So far I have the back of my shoe, and now I'm gonna work on the front. So I just taped the two back pieces together and it works. So David's about to start cutting this mini wheat ball. So I'm just gonna try to mold this piece as if it was like to myself. I'm gonna put it right here, and that will create a very nice back to the shoe.
Okay, I think I'm going to be making a shoe that's not an actual type of shoe. It's going to be open air, so you can see your ankle and heels.
So the back kind of looks like a shoe so far, but I'm just gonna fold it over like this and carve it to my foot shape. Just gotta tape the ends. I think it's looking pretty good so far.
I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do for this.
Perfect, mine's almost done, and it has lots of toe room.
Wow.
So that's good. I'm gonna cut out a little
What size is it?
indentation on it. Probably 9. I'm not really sure. Well, actually 10 because it has extra room. And the ultimate test after you mold it around your foot and like shape it and tape it is to see if you can get your foot to back out, because that's an important part, is to be able to get your foot in and out.
I'm gonna have to do some adjustments to this.
I know some of you watching are probably like, oh my gosh, that is so dumb. But no, these are not dumb. These are super cool, and they look really good like when you're done. And if you want to make them even cooler, you can like paint them, like paint over them or something, I don't know.
My shoes are coming along good.
I really like the style of your shoe.
Yeah,
It has a lot of orange, but I really
These are
like
like
those
cool,
I like those
trendy.
cool, trendy characters on the side.
Okay, I found a solution to the shoe because my socks would be getting trashed on the bottom.
He's gonna use some of his scraps and put it on the bottom. Look at this long piece. We can like use this for something. We can use it for a sock or
A
something.
belt.
Yes,
A belt if it's long enough.
Next, I think I'm gonna work on the Z-bar box, unless it's not big enough. It's so fun.
I'm on my final pieces of tape here.
Me too. I just gotta fix it up a little bit, and it will be completely finished. Very high quality, I would say. Dang, it looks good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at David, you guys. The toe is like so pointed.
But it fits good.
It's like so neat. You know, this one could be used as, you know, some kind of like coronavirus mask maybe. Yes, it's finished. Okay, I must try on my shoe now. Let's see if it properly fits. Oh my gosh, it fits perfectly.
Oh my gosh, check this
Hey,
out.
let me stand up. Wow, that looks
check this
pretty
out.
good. Let me get the side view. So we got this one. I have my first shoe, and I'm gonna keep working on my helmet, and he's gonna work on one of these other boxes.
So see, this is gonna wrap around. This is gonna go poke in that thing, but I'm gonna need to cut this down.
That's
a little
like
bit.
super clever.
And it'll fit, and I'm gonna put a big circle here so it's like a boxing belt. Ooh, that would be so funny.
Yeah. I'm so excited about this one. So here it is. So far, I think it's pretty good. I like it, I'm not gonna lie. It's it's pretty cool.
So I just added this little guy at the top, and I think it's looking pretty good so far.
So I have my Uncle Ben biking helmet on now. I think it has a lot of spikes. I think it's pretty good. What do you guys think? Make sure you tell me and you vote in the comments. And make sure you vote for me, okay? Oh my gosh, it works! The belt works.
Awesome.
That's amazing. Oh my god.
How is it?
What? How did that like totally work? Oh my god.
It fits too.
That's like so perfect. It's a Raisin Bran belt. So I have my glasses here. What do you guys think? I can't see out of them, but I'm gonna try to fix that. Okay, I just ran out of the room so I can grab toothpicks so I can see if my method works. I'm not really gonna tell you guys, I'm just gonna do it. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Well, you'll see. Well, here it is. It's done.
I think it looks pretty
Here's
good.
how you wear it. It's just not even like a real thing. It's just wherever.
Wow, that looks pretty good. Oh wow, you look amazing. Okay, so everyone, I think that we're done with making everything and now we just have to try it all on.
Let's go. Look at us. Looking
So
awesome. We're gonna go get some reactions in the house.
I think we look pretty cool.
I can barely see.
Wow.
You guys have full wardrobes.
Pretty today?
Wow. Alyssa, it's like a helmet. You could wear that in the store.
I'm going to the Coleman mask.
Yes.
And my coaching and my new and approved shoe.
Your mask, I dare you to wear that in the store.
I will. Easy.
Look, I made a wrestling belt and it actually has belt loops that work.
That's cool. Straight out of your closet. Nice work, guys. Now Owen's looking in the pantry because he wants to make a shoe.
Mom, look. I have
Wow.
Look at the
Oh, wow.
up there to hold my
This is pretty awesome.
Okay.
You want shoes too?
Yeah.
You guys are very creative. I approve.
They like their outfits.
Yeah, I think they did too. I mean, they are very unique. I would like
They were really good. Like our belt and the skirt, I think they were phenomenal.
Yeah.
Well, I think everyone liked our outfits, and I think we did a pretty good job, like with the skirt and the belt and our shoes. So go in the comments and tell us who did a better job, me or David. I think definitely me, because I made those glasses. But anyways, it was a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.